What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I just want to show you again. I've done this before, but just showing you how you can really make a lot of money online. A lot of people look at surveys and survey sites and like it's really hard to make money doing that. And I understand because sometimes it's hard for me as well. But that is why I have a system where I can show you how to make $150 every single day. Now, there are numbers of sites that you can use that I'm going to show you. I mean, it isn't, it's about 13, 15 different sites that you use. And just strictly those will bring you $150 a day. And that's not even counting, all of the sites that I have on my website, pennies1000s.com. I got a lot of websites and apps that I use, but for you to make $150 a day, it's only going to take about 15 websites for you to use consistently, and you can make that money with those websites. Now, these are two of them right here. I'm on this site, Optimal Bucks. You see here my balance. I have $46.56 in here. Okay, I've already received over $3,000 with this site. So, I mean, I'm making legit money with this. On this site alone, I'm bringing in a little bit over $20 a day right now. Um, it's just little things you have to do that I will teach you to make your account look like this. It's not difficult at all. Like I've taught this to plenty of people, but I want to continue to stress how easy it is to do. When you're using these sites, it's not going to take you more than an hour, maybe two, just depending on how fast you are, with managing your accounts on each site. But I can show you how to bring in this money. So you see here, like I said, $46 in my balance right now. I'm gonna go to another site over here, Scarlet Click, same thing. My balance right now, I have a little bit over $18. I have $13.53 that's pending right now, so that'll be here maybe a couple days. And I've already received a little bit over $1,200 from this one site. So I mean, you just understand that it's very possible to do. I do teach you how to do this in my sessions. So that's why I always encourage you guys to book a session with me, a one-on-one session. That way I can show you how to put this money in your pocket. I mean, it is like I said, it's very easy. Anybody can do it. You're going to be able to do this every single day. So that's bringing in $150 every single day, $4,500 a month, over $50,000 a year, just doing exactly what I'm showing you. All right. So if you don't know anything about these sites, that's fine because I explained what they are. I explained, from the beginning to, how my account looks now. So I can show you how to do it. Like I said, it's very easy. You'll be getting paid literally every day, $150 in your account every single day. If you just book a session, I will leave the link to book a session in the description so I can show you how to make this kind of money. All right. Now, a lot of people, like I said before, they struggle to make money online. But if you follow the steps that I'm going to teach you, you will no longer be struggling to make real money online. All right. Now, $150 a day is a lot of money to make online, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So, again, book a session. The link to it is in the description. Get started with it and stop making, just pennies online and start making thousands. Okay. So that's why I call my website pennies1000s.com because I want to, so many people start out making a few pennies and a lot of people stay there. They don't really make any real money because they don't really know what to do. But when you know what to do, that's when you start making thousands. So with this step, so I'm going to teach you alone, you're going to be bringing in $4,500 a month. So now you're bringing in thousands. So book a session, link to is in the description, and always remember every penny counts.